My name is Rajneesh Kumar Singh. I'm basically from Patna. It's been 5 years in Gurgaon, and I'm doing law. I'm a law student. I'm doing BA LLB from IP University.
Rajneesh as a model is pretty interesting. He's got this typical boy next door kind of look and feel and attitude about himself.
I logged into iBibo to basically vote for a friend on iFreshface. Till that time, I was not aware of the fact that iFreshface is only for females. So I posted my pictures and I applied for iFreshface. I remember when I got a call from iBibo, January, iHunk. So I said, "Are you serious?" I mean.
Well, if I've got my memory right, we started with some close-ups and then we kind of went into a lot of different looks. His body is perfect for Ram. He's about 5'10" and a half or 10, if I'm not mistaken. Other than that, I think he's got the looks. He's definitely got a chiseled face. He doesn't have fat on his body. These are some of the things that will work for him. It's a great thing that iBibo has taken this initiative, and these youngsters get a chance to come and work with photographers. A lot of people in smaller towns find it very difficult to afford a shoot in the city. In fact, when I walked in, one of the sweetest things Rajneesh said is, "I'm still very cold. It's a dream come true to have a shoot here."
iHunk, this initiative which iBibo has started is great. It's amazing for aspiring models. It's not that tough, You just have to upload your pictures. Go to iBibo.com, upload your pictures. Tell people to vote for you. Make friends on iBibo. It's very simple, and you might end up being here, right here, in front of the best. That is Subi Samuel, of course.
I think this concept by iBibo to have iHunk shoots done, I think it's a great concept. It helps youngsters to to see their dreams come to a reality.